Alright guys, we're starting off the video in the GR86. If you guys read the title, that is correct. We finally got them back from the shop and they are both done. Both of the cars are finally painted and I'm so excited to show you guys. This has been long awaited for so long and we are finally here. So guys, don't forget to like the video, subscribe. We are going to a spot right now so I can show you guys the car on how it looks. So let's go up to the spot and I'll pick up the camera when we get there. Guys, check it out. Here it is. Finally, we have the blue GR86 out. Finally, look at that front bumper all painted and the hood as well. I can't believe how nice this came out. And honestly guys, I actually did find a good price on the hood used, same color, which helped me out a lot because I only had to get the front bumper repainted. And honestly, it was well worth it. I mean, the color match is pretty spot on. Take a look at it from right there. Something I noticed about this color is it actually like changes colors depending on the way you look at it in the lighting. So you guys can see right here, it gets a little darker, and then I've seen it in the sun where it almost looks like purple in a way. Take a look at that. And you guys remember the whole front end was damaged on this one, so right here on the old hood, and I know we actually repaired the hood and everything, but I saw this one used and I was like, you know what, I think it's gonna be better that we buy that just to have it more OEM finish and whatnot. And I mean, look at how it came out. Literally looks perfect. I was messing with the gaps a lot too, and I think we got it pretty good. Take a look at that around the hood, this side as well, and then around the headlight as well. So there's a lot of more gaps to work on with this car. Take a look at the premium wheels. I am still missing the fender liner for this part. I actually just have it, I just need to put it on. And then the GR logo right there, which is super nice option. I was thinking of color matching that, but honestly I'll just leave it black. It looks good with the wheels and the mirror. So you guys also remember there was a little ding on this part right here, which honestly came out super easy. Take a look at that rear end. Looks super nice. The GR, and honestly, I did say we have the mod coming, and it is a duckbill. I don't think I have the key on me now, but you can see it right there. I'll pull it out in a second so you guys can see. It's pretty much going to be looking like a premium from the outside. So the wheels are premium, and then it's going to have the wing that's also a premium. And honestly, the color is growing on me a little bit, it being like a two-tone kind of color. Take a look at that wing right there. OEM wing, got it color matched. The seats, there it is. One final look at the blue one. Honestly, I think the premium wheels is my favorite thing added on this car. Take a look at that front end. Been looking at the black bumper for a couple months now, and it was so annoying. So it's finally like coming to life, seeing it all in one picture. You guys remember all the lights that we have on the dash? Everything has been fixed, just the eyesight. For some reason, when the battery died, the eyesight, like I guess the car's battery had died, and I left it on for a couple days, I guess, because I didn't really drive this car, you know. I was driving the gray one more, and the eyesight thing went out. And I guess I was looking on YouTube, and when the battery dies, the eyesight thing will go out. And I don't know why. I disconnected the battery again, connected it, and it still just doesn't come off. And I actually went, my friend has a scanner, we scanned it, and it actually saying that I just need to calibrate the eyesight. Honestly, just haven't had the time to calibrate that. But that is the only thing wrong with the inside of the car. Honestly, it came out pretty clean. I can show you guys also the clip of the gray one right after this. I recorded different days, so maybe that's why the lighting and other stuff are different. But yeah, so I'm going to show you guys the gray one and we'll be back after. Alright guys, we are now in the gray GR86. As you guys remember, this one is the premium one. And pretty much I'm going to show you guys the cars because they're finally back. And honestly, they've been back for quite a minute now, but I just haven't got around to shooting this video. And I figured I need to do that now. So as you guys can see, I have put some miles on the car. We got it with 1,000. That thing already has 2,000 miles. Haven't had a single issue with this car. Something I really like about this car is when you put it in track mode, check that out. It like disables all these things, and then it like goes into this different setting. Let me kind of show you guys. When you rev it, that looks so, and then it also shows you guys, like, it shows you guys the temps as well. That's pretty cool. Anyways, let's go ahead and show you guys the outside of the car because that's what we're here for. Guys, we're now outside of the car. As you guys can see, it is finally back. No damage at all in this car. Well, also, if you guys do remember, this car didn't even have any front end damage. Pretty much I'm going to show you guys a full walk around of the car. Let's get started with the front. Pretty much nothing really got worked on here in the front. They just polished the whole car, so the car is now, you guys can see that paint. It looks insane. I was going to PPF the headlights, but I didn't get around doing it, and we already put a couple thousand miles on it, or over 1,000 miles, and we're just gonna keep them like that, to be honest. Something you guys are probably noticing right here is the clear side markers. Check that out. I love the look on this compared to this. Not compared, but like side by side. Like, look at that right there, that shot. It literally looks like it's part of the headlight. They're both like kind of on in a way. I don't know if you guys get what I'm saying, but it looks so nice. So you guys can see, those are the clear ones, and then pretty much to install these, it's just 1, 2, 3, and then this thing kind of goes in right here. And then I just love the DRLs that this car has. You guys remember, this car is a premium, so it has the premium wheels. I just gave this car a detail in and out, so you can see tire shine. Tires look brand new. And then look at that little GR center cap, or GR valve cap I added. Anyways, we're gonna show you guys the rear of the car because this is what got worked on. So check this out, guys. You guys remember we replaced the full quarter panel, rear bumper, and the tail light. So this is all finally in its form. Have you guys a nice look right there, and pretty much the paint match is insane. Like, this was not painted, this was painted, and check that out. You literally cannot tell. So you guys can see, if I put my flashlight on, let me put my, so I put my flashlight on, you guys, maybe you can see the sparkle a little bit. There you go, look at that. So paint match was insane, and honestly, I'm so, like, look at the gaps, so perfect gaps all around. The rear bumper looks insane. I'm sorry about the background noise, guys. I just came to a little business shopping center and I'm getting bad luck with all these people right here, but as you guys can see, that rear bumper looks so nice. Sensors, and you guys remember this bumper wasn't painted, so paint match right here is nice. Obviously all the fitment and all that is good. Tail light as well, fitment is all good, and honestly I haven't had any issues. You guys also remember we picked up this piece. Also, I got a brand new fender liner I forgot to add on, but you guys can't really see that, but there's a brand new fender liner that I bought, and we did save the side skirt because obviously it wasn't even damaged. I didn't want to really repaint it just because I love the OEM paint. Obviously you want to save as much as you can, so very minor scraping right there, but that doesn't really bother us. And look at that premium wing. You guys remember that wing was only for the premium models. Anyways, guys, but you guys remember there was no front end damage here, so obviously everything is gonna look the same. Pretty much from the quarter panel though, check that view out. Honestly, I'm so surprised. So you guys remember that quarter panel cut was pretty much all this about to like right here, and it came out good. The paint match was insane, and there it all is. No lights on the dash. There's the final look of the GR in its final form. And unfortunately, guys, we might sell this car because I do need the money to afford more builds for you guys. I do have more on the way coming soon, but unfortunately I think she's gonna have to go. It's definitely sad to see, but we do need to make more builds for you guys. I do want to build more cars and create more content for you guys. So unfortunately, this car is going to have to go, and we still have the blue one, and pretty much so here's one last look for you guys. We got Justin Beck's Supra. That's pretty much it, guys. Take a look at her, because when she's gone, she is gone. Let me show you guys the interior one last time. Here's the interior, guys, one last time. I just cleaned it all up. You guys can see we detailed it super clean, super nice. I even added that little airbag thing that was in the glove box, and man, I'm gonna miss this car. But unfortunately, we do need to sell it to get more builds for you guys. But that's pretty much gonna be it. Take one last look at it right here with the GR Supra. I'll give you guys one look with both of the cars. Pretty much that's gonna be it, guys.